Where are you from? You want to see my face? I'll show you my face. Yeah, but because I'll be busy later on, so this is me. It's so sunny here right now. Yeah, thank you for watching.